In today's fast-paced world, the security of your cargo is more important than ever. Every minute counts, and the risk of loss or theft can have serious consequences for your business. But with our state-of-the-art tracking solution, you can rest easy knowing your cargo is safe and secure. Our advanced GPS technology allows you to monitor your shipments in real time, from departure to delivery. Set up custom geofences to get instant alerts if your cargo deviates from its route. Integrated sensors provide updates on location, temperature, and even if the cargo is opened unexpectedly. Receive instant notifications and take action immediately if anything goes wrong. With our tracking solution, ensure timely deliveries and maintain customer satisfaction. Protect your cargo, build trust, and keep your business running smoothly. Protect your cargo with our V-Zone tracking solution. Secure, track, deliver. Visit our company website to learn more. We have the solutions with Smart V-Zone Track GPS device. Experience world #1 GPS tracking system with world-class features. The industry leader in fleet management solution. V-Zone International world #1 fleet management solution.